4 weeks later, Isa and Nuru are now 3 months old and growing fast. And now they're teething. Piercing canines emerged first. Isa's confidence and curiosity are growing as fast as she is. Her claws are already half the size of Mom's, so great for gripping. These paws are way cooler than she thought. Something has caught Malika's attention. A warthog. Amma's spotted the hog too. Amma and a cousin take positions. Everyone waits for Malika's cue. They've done it. But all the commotion has caught Bahati's attention. He has a habit of rousing himself when there's a fresh meal to be had. Isa is hungry too. She tries joining her father at his feast. Bahati recognizes a kindred spirit. She has won the total acceptance of her father. Gets her first taste of meat.